we don't want to comment 10 times the same message. Instead, what we want to do is when its attempt is failed, we want it to repeat it again. For the 10 times the attempt should be made. So let's change this statement to comment attempted, and then let's write such statement, such conditional statement where if commented the loop should be break. Now if commented then loop should be break. Let's write a statement that will prove us that it enters this, that is comment successful. Okay, after this there is no anything named as commented, so we need to define a variable that is commented equals to true. Now you may have noticed that there is two indentation here inside the for loop. That is, once it is for loop where this print statement and the starting of if statement is written, because this is inside the for loop, and these two statements are inside if statement inside the for loop. These two statements are inside the if statement which is inside the for statement. So the indentation should be consistent and should be made like this. This is how Python interpreter interprets the code. Now let's see how it works. Run this, and there is only one attempt and comment is successful. So if we change this to false, we see 10 comment is attempted, but it doesn't show us the failure attempt or anything, that failure message. So how we can generate is by using the for else loop. We have used the for loop here. Now the next part is we'll use the else statement with the for indentation. You may notice we have used the else statement here in the for statement indentation. So let's get to it. We'll write a print statement by telling attempted 10 times and failed. What does this do is when the for loop doesn't enters the if statement here and doesn't breaks, then the else block of code is run. Now let's try this out here. Let's run the code. Let's see, comment attempted for 10 times, attempted 10 times and failed. This is what we wanted. Now what happens if we again change this commented to true? Let's run this and let's see, comment attempted and within one comment it is successful. So this was all about for else loop and how we can break this statement and all this. So see you in the next video with some looping concept and many other.